Differential equation is one that contains one or more derivatives. In this example, we have third derivative of y. So to find the degree of our equation, first we have to clear our fraction. So I will copy our equation. We have 2x over square root over third derivative of y minus 3 equals 1. Now I will multiply both sides by square root of third derivative of y minus 3 . Denominator now we can reduce, and we have that 2x is equal 1 times this square root will be square root of third derivative of y minus 3. So next we have to find the degree of equation. So I will take both sides of our equation to the second power to reduce the square root. So we will have 2x to second power is equal square root of y third minus 3, and we have to raise to second power. So now we can reduce square root, and we have that 4x squared is equal third derivative of y minus 3. Now we see that we have first degree equation. Why? Because the highest order derivative is raised to first power. We never write first power. So, from the beginning, we have third order equation. Why? Because the highest order derivative is 3. So, we can write that we have third order equation, and the highest order derivative is raised to first power, so we have first degree equation. And because variable is x and y only, it means that our differential equation is ordinary. This is my solution.